Hi, my name is Arthur. In today's Enterprise Android Pro Tips, we're going to be talking about how to set up ADB on your Windows computer. Let's get to it. ADB, also known as Android Debug Bridge, is a great and powerful tool for Android developers and power users, as it allows you to communicate your Android devices from your computer. Let me show you a way you can install ADB onto your Windows computer. So what you're going to want to do is open your command prompt or your CMD and check for your ADB commands. Right now you don't get anything, it's not recognized. So you're gonna go into your developersandroid.com tools releases platform tools, link in the description, hit downloads, go to download SDK platform tools for Windows and download. Go through your terms and conditions, check it and hit download. So once you got your download over here, you can take it, Control X to cut. You're gonna go somewhere where you can remember where you're gonna have it. I have ADB over here, so I'm just gonna put it in here, like that. Then I'm gonna extract it, close that out, and now you have your platform tools over here. What you're gonna do now is go to Settings, System, About, and to your right there's Advanced System Settings. You're going to go under Advanced tab, hit Environment Variables, under Path, Edit. You're going to create a new called ADB. Oops. There we go. And you're going to hit Browse and find where you put your ADB at. I put in look at the C, ADB, Platform Tools. Hit OK. Okay, and just close all these out. Go back to your command prompt and try it out. Now if you get something like this, which is an error, it's still not recognized, just close it out, refresh it, open your CMD again, and try it one more time. And there we go. And there you have it, how to set up ADB on your Windows computer. If you have any questions, feel free to put it down in the comment section down below. And if you've got any other topics that you want us to go through or cover, just let us know. Thanks for watching. See you next time.